ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ 12 ತಿಂಗಳು ಕೆಲಸ ನೀವು ಸೀಸನ್ ವಿಜಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿಜಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯವಾಡ ವಿಜಯವಾಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೋನಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ
all accounts have to be maintained head office of all the staff.
ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡೋದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ
Post office India Post started the bank now. There are so many banks. What was the need of one more bank? Payment bank. What is this? Why the government has to initiate it? In fact, in the postal department, they were supposed to be only post. Why they have entered into banking?
It's to rural area.
To reach out the rural, to serve the rural people.
And being the most accessible, affordable, trusted bank.
ಬೇರೆ ಸರ್
ಬರ್ರಿ ಹೊಲಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಾ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
What can be and what can be done adoption for the future for the development of
will be L for students because it financial awareness and we are a NSC, NSDL and BSc and we also conduct the faculty session and women session and faculty session we need 25 to 30 members, students we need a 40 and also provide certificates and next will continue.
And one more thing, sir, these all sessions are live sessions, sir, not recorded videos. So this is helps to students to
Yes.
gone through the stalls also and our students. So what is about
Basically, I visit many schools. I keep visiting schools, but I find definitely a difference between the other schools and this particular business school. Because this kind of a thing, I think I'm the first time I'm visiting. First time I'm seeing at least in North Karnataka. Very happy to see this, and I think many of them they undergone this studies in deep, as they are telling, as if they are the part of the company. They are the owners of the company. So I can find that home in them. Home means ownership mindset. So definitely happy to meet the students.
any other inputs for the or any scope of improvement for
Sir, always there is definitely a scope of improvement will be there. I think I was telling sir that your college can start up with a team, as they know that they are having a mindset of working. I want them to build a mindset of getting the owner. So they should start something on their own. That mindset has to be built because India is coming into that area that we know that every government organizations are reducing the employees. So basically there will be a lot of private companies which will keep starting, and they should also solve the major problems. By solving the major problems, they can start a big company.
entrepreneurship mindset.
Yeah. that has to be built in, and I think a startup group with leadership from Purvi sir, because he knows people in and around North Karnataka. You can be a leader in the startup. It's when people talk about startup, they should come to your college.
Thanks for your You come as a just to understand what
Vishwanath Kavi is a friend of mine, right? Way back in 1995, even I did my MBA. That time we did not have this kind of an opportunity, right? We used to go for implant training, used to do a project, write a journal or something like that. Then we used to submit. We did not have this kind of an opportunity. We never had this kind of a setup. Now, the system has gone through a plethora of changes. Right, students are more proactive. They display what they have done. Way back in 1995, we did not really have that kind of opportunity. It was all theoretical. Here, at least, we are seeing practical. People with all practical experience. They are just explaining what exactly they have done. We did not have that opportunity way back in 1995.
anybody who wants to know about product and services, these kind of activities can be
Absolutely, this is an amazing combination.
any other
See, change is an ongoing process, right? We saw, it's still in the very nascent stage. You can make a lot of improvements. You can make it a big screen and you show them the product, and you can even show. They can even share their experiences in the form of a digital.
that's of course we are doing it.
Thank you.
No, you are not into sales. What your role was there? Marketing. Service.
Monthly sales on an average was like somewhere near 20 cents. Not specifically doctors, like someone who is mainly do a job or the government employees, they are professionals and mainly look for a secondary vehicle for their day-to-day travel. They were
On the road, the same capacity, it is a road to the cost of the vehicles. Not this vehicle, any other brand.
Good morning. ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು
ಅವರು 61 ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮಗೆ
What is the meaning of GSM?
ಮಾಡಿ We have more than 250 stores across Bangalore and 142 stores franchise under franchise and 42 stores under company. Coco, we call them Coco store. So it is a omni-channel online as well as offline retail category. So we have a own brand called going we have our own manufacturing plant in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, we have in Bhiwandi. Yeah, we have multiple categories like you already know sofas, beds, and in sofas we have this is actually 3-seater sofa, and this is single seater, and we have bed as well, and this is also 3-seater sofa and coffee table, and we have launched our own products. We have done our delivery, we have our own concept, which is known as Shakta. Sometimes the delivery system is involved, we use third party, but majorly 90% we use our own logistics. And we have
Completely that was in she's our CEO, Saida Panditi, and she's the CEO, Abhijit Art He's
will be your